All right, so picture this. You're craving something quick, healthy, and bursting with flavor. Well, look no further because I've got the perfect recipe for you. A spinach and chickpea salad that's ready in just about 5 minutes. Let's dive right in. Grab a cup of canned chickpeas, give them a good rinse, and toss them into a bowl. Add in some fresh, vibrant spinach leaves, a diced tomato, and a crunchy cucumber. Now, here comes the magic. A drizzle of zesty lemon juice and a touch of olive oil to bring it all together. But wait, we're not done yet. Sprinkle in some earthy cumin powder, a pinch of salt, and a crack of pepper for that extra kick. Give it all a good toss until every ingredient is perfectly coated in those delicious flavors. And just like that, you've got yourself a wholesome, nutrient-packed meal that's as satisfying as it is quick to make. So next time you're in a rush, but still want to treat yourself to something healthy and delicious, remember this spinach and chickpea salad recipe. It's a game changer, trust me. Now go ahead, whip it up, and enjoy every bite of this fresh and flavorful dish. Your body will thank you for it. Happy cooking!